welcome back. Gary here with VW Jawbreaker.
And Levi's backyard.
That's right, Levi's backyard's with me today. He's always with me, he's just not always in the video. My little guy here, he's my sidekick to everything. Every show, everything. Anyway, we are getting ready to get back to work on Joel's engine. We cannot leave him stranded. He's been almost 2 weeks now without his boss, and that's his transportation. So we found another engine case. He went ahead and put his jugs and pistons and heads on it and went to adjust the valves. Valves weren't moving at all. So we split that down the other night, and I didn't think that we needed to do a second video on that. So I'll flip you around.
Let's check it out.
There we go, let's get to work. There's his other case, the one that was donated to him, and that might be why when the engine was spinning, the valves weren't moving. So we're going to take the cam lifters and cam bearings, yes I know, used cam bearings, out of his original case, and we're going to put that into that case along with that crank and rods, and let's go ahead and get his case built up here. Here we're actually using the ultrasonic cleaner from good old Mike to clean some case hardware and other bits and pieces. Alright, crank and rods is in. We've got all the bearings seated. Always keep out your second case half bearing, drop it in, and see if you can get it to move. Here, I'll bring you in and show you what I mean. Alright, with all your dowels lined up, you've got a dowel pin on here, dowel pin on this one and this one. This is the only one in between these two that actually have a split bearing. So if your dowel pins and your crank's not laying flat, it'll be up a little bit. If that's the case, when you drop this bearing in there, it'll rock back and forth. It's not rocking, it's solid. So that means my means my crank is set level. All the dowel pins are there. Now, we'll rotate it around. Where's my two dots? I paint the end of my two dots. What that does, I also paint the end on my cam, so it'll be real easy to line up your dots and see what you're doing. Watch how easy this is. Alright, let's see if you can get this and at the same time I can do this. I've got everything here lubed. I've got my two dots there. I'm going to put my one dot in between the two. I'm just going to roll it down until it seats where it goes. Then we'll go ahead and spin it over just a little. And come on in here. Actually, bam, you can see it from there. No, you can't. Hold on. You can see that. They're perfectly lined up, easy to read because of the paint dots. Little tip trick of the day. And you can thank VW Darren for that trick. Thanks, buddy. Alright, everything's cleaned up. We got the cam plug in, all of the O-rings. We have our other case half prepped. Everything lubed. We got the lifter locks in there. And we are currently using Bond to keep the case half sealed. So that's where we're at. That's where Levi's at. So we got to go ahead and slam this together, get it torqued down, then we go ahead and set the oil pump and distributor drive gear. Let's do it. Alright,
so we know when you're going to actually drop it down. Alright.
all good. Alright, we're gonna set 15. Come over on this side.
Alright.
This side.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're just gonna go with this one, that one. Yep. Okay. Remember, hold back here, not up here. And then you're gonna. Go ahead. And this is 15 foot-pounds, guys.
Do initial torque at 15, and then we'll jump up to 25. You want to go on the other side? Bring it up first.
Alright, now I'll go ahead and set it to 25. You want me to do the 25 or you want me to?
I'll do it.
Alright, spin, make sure it's. Alright, do a full rotation all the way around. Yep, it's nice and smooth, it's not binding. Perfect.
Friction.
Alright. Alright. Now it's on to all the 13 millimeters around the perimeter. Alright, we got the in place set to 3/1000. Everything spins nice. Everything's assembled. That's a spare flywheel. We got the new flywheel on. New rear main, new O-ring in the flywheel. That's the rest of his gasket kit. So he's coming to pick it up and go ahead and finish assembling his engine and hopefully get this bad boy up and going. So after some hard work, engine's back in. Everything's tuned. Boom! Gotta love it.